Mrs. Fabregas, have you seen our city? What are your impressions?
My impressions is that I've been totally impressed by your nice city, and I've been to the museum, your history, your aim to success in these new challenges that we all have in every city, and I've had really a very good impression.
What do you know about Kazakhstan?
In fact, I don't know much because maybe it's a bit far from my country. I come from Spain, from Barcelona, as you know. But when I've taken a deeper insight in your history, I've come to the conclusion that you are a young country, but with very huge prospects and good prospects for the future.
What do you think about architecture and transport system of Astana?
About the architecture, I know that you have plenty of singular buildings made up by so internationally well-known architects, and that you have made room for all of them taking a part in the construction of the new city for the future.
Can you tell us about the global trends in architecture?
In Kazakhstan?
No, in the world.
In the world.
In the world.
To my opinion, I think this is a really good question, because I think that undeniably all of us take part in a global community, and to my understanding, all the solutions have to be put in this context. And regarding technology, which is my principal objective, because I'm a technologist, I think that all the solutions are to be thought of being globally decided and globally implemented.
Tell me about your tomorrow's speech.
My tomorrow's speech has a big aim, a big goal to share how we are facing the new challenges that we have regarding public transport. As we have reached a momentum out of our success in the integrated system that we launched by 2001, which has been really a big success, and it's clearly the result of a wide commitment between authorities, between public operators, between private operators. All together, we made a clear commitment to perform globally and in an integrated concept of transport. And mainly, I'd like to spread the message. And I think that in this trend of the complexity that you are facing, this is clearly a very good message for you to take into account, because it will be undeniable, to my opinion, the success will be really the end of this commitment to find global solutions, to find integrated solutions, interoperable solutions, and playing as a whole takes more success than being independently between the parts.
Thank you. We are always glad to see you in Astana. I wish you nice days. conference in Astana.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
I'm
much.
very, very happy to be here and very, very happy and grateful for your invitation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.